Hey, it's OhioJimbo, and I know I've talked a lot about G, C, and D songs and C, F, and G songs, but A, E, and D are another set of chords that actually give you some pretty cool songs to play along with. So we're gonna do Spirit in the Sky. It's a really cool song, and I think you're gonna like it because it's an A, a D, and an E. It's very, very simple. Let's get into it. Hey, it's OhioJimbo. Thanks for hanging out here. And listen, I got a real simple song that we're gonna jam with, and it is in A, in D, and in E. So we're doing the A, D, and E, and it's a very simple song. If you want to play along, play along. If you want to sing along, sing along. But it's just fun to do this, and I want to show you how simple it is because you don't really need to have any tricks. Everything's up in these 3 frets, and these 3 chords are very simple. And as I leave these here on the screen, you'll see that they kind of play easy together because when you're in the A, you literally can just switch 2 fingers and go to D, come back to A, never leaving your index finger off that string, and then slide it down to go to the E. So you literally, your index finger is going to be moving very little, 1 fret. So we're going to try this together here, and I'll try to keep it slow. Now, I always play like I've had 37 cups of coffee, but that's because I just like to jam along. So if you want to play along, we'll just kind of get this A going. Now, the strumming pattern will just change. All you have to do on the first part is just kind of keep going that down and up. So the strumming pattern may be a little important, but I think the most important part is just getting it together. So when they die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. When they lay me down to die, I'm going to the spirit in the sky. I'm going up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. You know it's a must. You got to have a friend in Jesus, because you know that when you die, it's gonna recommend you the spirit in the sky. It's gonna recommend you the spirit in the sky. That's where you're gonna go when you die. When you die and they lay you to rest, you're gonna go to the place that's the best. Sinner, I've never sinned. I've got a friend in Jesus, 'cause you know that when I die, He's gonna hook me up with the spirit in the sky. Gonna hook me up with the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Now you can add the chorus in there as many times you want. When I die, they lay me to rest. Gonna go to the place that's the best. When they lay me down to die, I'm going to the spirit in the sky. I'm going up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. That's such a cool song, such a classic song, Spirit in the Sky. It's one of the great songs that kind of hit through the pop scene, has a little bit of a religious overtone, but everybody was singing it, and it's just that's such a cool song to play. So when you play the A, the D, and the E, it fits together great. It fits together so well, I've got a couple of other songs that I'm going to show you out of A, D, and E. That's another video. But for now, this is a really cool song to play. Give it a try, jam along, and I've got the chords right here so that you can see them. A, D, and E. Super cool. 3 chords, a great campfire song, and a sing-along song too. So that's Spirit in the Sky. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you get to play it. So until next time, if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.